ViZoMerge. Merge all your videos in one click. This is ViZoMerge from the Vizo Tools family, a web tool built for content creators who are tired of repetitive editing. Here's how it works. Open the editor and start by uploading your intro. Now select all your main videos, in this case, 20 videos at once. Add your outro, and your whole process is complete. Intros and outros clips are optional. You might want to only add the outro to all your videos, or maybe just the intro. Choose a transition: crossfade, fade to black, fade to white, or direct cut. Let's use crossfade and choose the duration for the transition, from half a second to 2 seconds. Now click on Process All Videos and let ViZoMerge handle the rest. Our application handles the processing of every video file entirely on our robust servers. It just works, seamlessly and efficiently. And just like that, in a matter of moments, all 20 of your videos are now perfectly updated with your custom intro, your chosen outro, and that smooth crossfade transition. It's all done. If you ever need to reprocess a particular video, you can simply click the Reprocess button directly on that specific video. Then, you just select all, click Download, and you'll receive everything conveniently packaged as one complete zip file. That's 20 fully branded videos, each one complete with its own custom intro and outro, perfectly prepared for uploading to TikTok or even short-form videos like YouTube Shorts. Your opening introduction, the core of your content, and your closing outro are all seamlessly blended with a smooth crossfade. Once you finish downloading your completed videos, you can simply press the Clear All button and then easily begin working on a brand new batch of content. It can handle up to 20 videos in a single batch. And here's a quick peek at the amazing final result. This is just one example from a set of 20 videos, all created entirely automatically. Stop wasting your time editing just one video at a time. Discover the benefits. Try ViZoMerge for free today at vizomerge.com.